Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate destination for the latest tech leaks, first looks, and cutting-edge gadgets before anyone else. Today we're diving into the biggest drone leak of 2026, the DJI Avata 360. Stop everything you're doing because this isn't just another drone leak. The FCC documents have dropped, and they reveal specifications and features that completely change the way we should think about this new FPV and 360 drone. Whether you're a creator, drone enthusiast, or someone who loves insane tech, this breakdown is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this drone is capable of, why it weighs more than some expected, and whether it's actually worth the hype. For months, the drone community has been debating one big question. Will the Avata 360 weigh under 250 grams? Some believed DJI could magically fit a full 360-degree camera system into a lightweight frame, while others, including me, said it was physically impossible. The leaked FCC documents now settle this debate. The drone is heavier than 250 grams. But here's the twist. That weight is not a flaw. In fact, it's exactly what DJI needed to deliver the performance they promised. This drone isn't about being ultralight. It's about combining extreme FPV flight with professional-grade 360 capture, something no other drone currently offers. Let's start with the battery because this is where the leaks reveal the first hint of DJI's engineering strategy. The power. FCC filings show the Avata 360 has a battery capacity of around 38.67 watt-hours. Compare that to the Avata 2's 31.7 W pack, and you see a 26% increase. That's huge. You might think, bigger battery equals longer flight, right? Not exactly. DJI isn't adding battery capacity for fun. They're powering two fully functional systems at once. Dual fisheye cameras capture full 360-degree footage simultaneously, each with its own high-resolution sensor and processing pipeline. Add the rotating camera mechanism, control motors, FPV-grade flight controllers, and powerful propulsion, and you see why DJI needed the larger battery. It's not just about flight time, it's about handling the immense power draw of a dual-function drone. Now let's talk weight. That larger battery alone adds 15 to 20 grams. Add dual sensors, dual processors, the rotating camera motor system, reinforced structural frame, and enhanced cooling, and you're easily over 320 grams. Some will be frustrated it's heavier than 250 grams, but this is intentional. Every gram has a purpose. Every added component increases durability, stability, and performance. The Avata 360 is not about being tiny. It's about surviving aggressive FPV flight while delivering full 360 capture, a combination that's never been done before in this class. Looking at leaked images, DJI's priorities become clear. The frame is compact, streamlined, with tighter arms and better aerodynamics. But compact doesn't equal lightweight. DJI focused on performance and protection. They built a protective cage around the 360 camera system so creators can fly aggressively without worrying about costly damage. Most 360 drones have exposed cameras mounted on gimbals, which work fine for slow cinematic shots. But in high-speed FPV action, one crash can cost thousands. DJI solved this problem completely. The rotating camera mechanism is the most exciting feature. The camera isn't fixed. It rotates to adapt to flight mode. In FPV mode, it gives a forward-facing perspective for immersive action shots. Switch to 360 mode, and the lenses reposition automatically to capture a full spherical view without props or body interference. This requires precision motors, control algorithms, and stabilization, all built to survive crashes. This system adds weight but also creative freedom that no other drone offers. Why is DJI building this now? The answer is strategic. Insta360 is launching the Anti-Gravity A1 in 2026, a dedicated 360 drone. DJI could have competed with a traditional 360 drone, but instead, they leveraged FPV. The Avata 360 is the first drone to combine FPV agility with 360 capture. Creators can fly through forests, chase bikers down trails, perform loops, and still capture everything in full 360. While Insta360 A1 focuses on smooth, cinematic footage, DJI targets action, proximity flying, and immersive content simultaneously. Two different workflows, both valuable. This is where the weight debate misses the point. DJI isn't aiming for sub 250G. Every gram corresponds to a feature or capability. The heavier frame, bigger battery, dual sensors, rotating camera, and reinforced structure all enable extreme FPV flight with professional-grade 360 capture. In my opinion, this makes the Avata 360 one of the most versatile drones ever built. It's not just a tool, it's a platform for creators demanding more than what standard 360 drones or FPV drones can provide separately. The FCC documents also show another key insight. The electronics are optimized for aggressive performance. Dual processors handle 360 stitching and FPV video feed with ultra-low latency. Cooling prevents overheating even under full load. Motors are built for high-speed flight with stability while allowing precise maneuvers. DJI didn't just make a 360 drone with FPV flight. They built an integrated system balancing power, durability, and creative flexibility. Market positioning is clever. DJI isn't trying to outdo Insta360 in cinematic footage. They're creating a drone that can do what no other FPV drone can: combine high-speed agility and 360 capture for previously impossible workflows. This opens possibilities for action: sports, travel vlogging, and immersive content, mountain biking, skiing, drone racing, forest exploration. The Avata 360 can handle it. DJI isn't following the 360 drone market. They're defining a new category: